The OYAYO 61-key digital piano offers a realistic playing experience with its full-size semi-weighted keys that are touch-sensitive, making it ideal for beginners. This digital piano is equipped with a wide array of features, including 129 tones, 128 rhythms, and 30 demonstration songs to enhance learning and creativity. With Bluetooth and MIDI connectivity, this keyboard allows seamless integration with learning apps and music production software, expanding the possibilities for aspiring musicians. The built-in rechargeable lithium battery provides excellent portability, enabling users to practice anywhere without worrying about power sources. Designed with dual speakers, the OYAYO piano delivers rich stereo sound, making it a delightful experience for music lovers of all ages. Its thoughtful features and design make the OYAYO 61-key digital piano a perfect gift for beginners looking to start their musical journey.